Hello everyone. If you are looking for an easy way to make money online, then you have come to the right place. There are countless opportunities online to help you make extra income. Whether your goal is to supplement the income you already have or you're looking to make an entire living online, there are several ways to make money. One easy way to make money online is to start an online store. With an online store, you can make money selling products that you already own or create items like handmade crafts or digital products. You can also join an affiliate program for a product or service and earn commission for every sale you refer. You can also earn money by offering your services online. From tutoring and offering advice to creating content for blog sites and freelancing, there are many ways to monetize your skills and knowledge. You can also make money blogging. This involves writing content on topics that interest you and making money from ads or affiliate links. Finally, another easy and quick way to make money online is to participate in paid surveys and other online activities. These tasks are usually quick, easy, and pay in cash or online. So if you are looking for an easy and fun way to make money online, there are plenty of options available. Do your research, create a plan, and start earning today.